Hey, it's Kim, and I have an unboxing to share with you. As you can see from the title of this video. However, it all begins with this unboxing. So as you can see, this is from Hubman and Chubgirl. They reached out to me and asked if I might be interested in trying out a few of their products. I was like, I don't do character stickers. I mentioned that in my December Plan With Me video. I'm not into character stickers, never have been, likely never will be. So I just thought that was the end of that. But then they were like, wait. We have so much more than just character stickers. And I was like, oh, really? So I went to the website, looked around a bit, and found some really cute things that I would definitely love to add to my stationery collection. Not only that, it was perfect timing because I was in the middle of setting up this new journal slash notebook slash thing, which we're going to get into in this video as well. First things first though, let's unbox. So I don't have my order out to see all of what I ordered exactly, but we'll see. We'll see if my memory is jogged as we go through everything. I know there's some washi tape, there's some other stuff, a bunch of cute stuff. Speaking of cute stuff, this thank you card is really cute as well. It says, your purchase means a lot to our small team and family. We hope you love everything you received, along with some other stuff. So that was really cool. Oh, not only did Hubman and Chubgirl provide these products to me for my honest review, they also provide a discount for anyone who wants to check out any of those products. I'll have it on the screen and linked down below in the description box for you as well. But let's get to the good stuff. Okay, so yes, I went washi tape crazy, washi tape heavy. And what I really liked is that they had a few washi tape sets. So these are things or designs that can be combined together to make a really nice journal spread, or use them individually, but still along the same theme. So these are the boba washi tapes that I got. And they're super cute, of course. I love the way they look. I love the colors and the combinations used in those. Also, I got the bookworm washi tapes. Even though I've moved my reading journal over to a digital format, I thought that these bookworm washi tapes would be great for that purpose. Well, for use in a reading journal, but not only that, just to put on my planner pages when I'm noting down maybe the reads that I've gotten through for a month, or if there's a new book that I picked up, or whatever. I just thought that these were really cute. And then they had these breakfast washi tapes, which are so cute. Breakfast happens to be my favorite meal of the day. Actually, more specifically, brunch. I love a good brunch. But these breakfast washi tapes are super cute. And I love the washi tapes that split like this. I don't even know exactly what they're called, but I don't have any of these where they're kind of like separated into their own washi stickers. I feel like that's a really creative way to use washi tape, and I'm excited to add this to my collection. Again, I love that they have tapes all within specified themes that you can pair together. They all look nice together and they go. And then the next set I got includes these 4 washi tapes, and they're all, which I don't have to say, but I love coffee. I don't have to explain that to you. I'm pretty sure a lot of you love coffee as well. But these are all super cute, and some of them have gold foiling, some of them have silver foiling, all really pretty, and I'm excited to use them in some of my journal spreads. So those are all the washi tapes that I ordered. Now getting into this other box. This is the dun, 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 the thing that I really wanted, and I was really excited to get from the order to set up that new journal that I mentioned. But before I open this up, I did order a couple of other stickers. So I've got some coffee stickers here, which, I mean, like, you can never go wrong putting on spreads, and also some of the bookworm banner stickers. and iced coffee stickers. So those are cute, and I love that they come in this little folder. You can definitely repurpose this for something else in your planners and journals. It's a really thick cardstock. That's really cute. Also, just keep your stickers in them, and this could easily fit, I feel like, into the back of my planner. That would fit nicely back there. I like that. Okay. Excited about that. Just packaging. Packaging, you know, we love packaging. And then, oh, I also got more coffee stuff, obviously. So this is the coffee variety sticker pack. And that includes all of these sheets, all in the same coffee theme. Clearly, I love coffee. All right, so let me show you all of the sheets that come in here. This is the Coffee Lovers collection. And we've got these gold foil coffee pots and coffee machines, espresso machines. I thought that was super cute. These washi kind of stickers that look like little cups of coffee. I see an angry cup of coffee. I need that in my life. Happy, smiley cups of coffee. That's really cute. I can definitely put those to good use in my planner pages. And while I know I said I'm not in love with character stickers, angry coffee cups, I can't refuse. So that's that. And then some transparent coffee stickers as well, which you may or may not be able to see all that well on camera. More foiled coffee stickers, and these are silver foil, and these all look like iced coffee cups because we love variety. So those are super cute. And then these like circular coffee stickers that say caffeine needed, treat yourself, coffee lover, time for coffee, but first coffee, morning brew, coffee time, happy coffee, need more coffee, and coffee first. Agree. And then these number stickers, which would be really cool or cute for setting up a monthly. They do go from 1 to 31. At first I was like, I can use these to count the number of cups of coffee I have in one day. I better not ever get to 31. But these are cute little stickers with coffee cups with numbers. And then these stickers that look like little Polaroids. They do have gold foiling around them. And it looks like the coffee cups and coffee machines are posing for photos. So those are all super cute. And those were included in the Coffee Lovers sticker variety set. And then moving on to the piece de resistance, which is probably apropos. Here is the bundle that I was most excited about. Speaking of bundles, Hubman and Chubgirl, they do bundles, and they are according to themes, similar to like the washi bundles, but these are on a grander scale. So these have a whole lot of stuff along with that one specified theme. And this one that I got is the Paris bundle. So I mentioned in my life reset video that I'm leaning more into self-care, but along the lines of doing the stuff that I really love. Personal development also. And just all about myself. Not to sound super selfish, but a large part of that is getting into new hobbies and taking on new things. There's also the topic of cozy hobbies, which I've covered on the channel and will continue to do. But one of those hobbies has been learning a new language. And I'm doing that with my BFFL, my Biffle, my daughter. So this is something that I am super, super, super into, probably more into than she is. I mean, she's 16. I'm probably not very cool. She's very cool to me. But anyway, we're learning French together. That's our first language that we're going to be learning. She's taken languages in school. I've taken languages in school. We've both actually taken Spanish a few years. I'm not great in Spanish, so I do want to circle back to that in my language learning mission, but I want to start something new. I want to learn French, and I'm setting up a language learning journal, and I felt like this Paris bundle would be perfect, the perfect opportunity to set that up, make it look really cute, and make me interested in opening it up, because that's really what it's all about. making the journal something that I look forward to using, something that is easy for me to use, but also fun. All right, so what we have in the Paris bundle is the Paris washi tape set. And again, so cute. The thinner one is like some Parisian foods. And then the thicker one has like the Eiffel Tower, also some food items, has some words on here like merci, the Paris flag. So those are really cute and I'm excited to use those in the set. And then I have this die cut sticker of the Eiffel Tower that says Paris. Oh, and more die cut stickers. Oh, these are cute. So what is that? Is that the Louvre? The Louvre? Louvre. If I can pronounce things. So these are all monuments in Paris that I wish to one day visit. Arc de Triomphe, I know that one. And then a sign for the metro. And then again, the Eiffel Tower. Speaking of wanting to visit Paris, I have this idea, this grand idea, that as my daughter and I learn French, that we will have an immersive experience in France, like living there for a month. I mentioned it to her. she's in on the plan. She's down. I have not mentioned it to my husband and my son. I'm pretty sure they will not like that idea of just the two of us going away to France for a whole month. But I'm hoping that maybe I can sway them to think this is a good idea if I say that they can visit us for like 2 weeks. And then the remaining 2 weeks, just she and I will stay together. Who knows? We'll see. But here we have even more stickers of a girl on a bike, eating a baguette, shopping. Oh, right up my alley. There's a Chanel bag. Yep. I kind of love that. I love what all of this is giving. So that's those. And then some more little mini stickers of croissants, macaroons, a bike, other little pastries, and bread. And then the flag, wine, metro. This looks like a perfume bottle. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but more flags, some wine, and then some larger stickers with some of those same images from the die cuts. And same thing here. And this one is titled A Day in Paris. This one's titled Enjoying Paris. Love how it's focused around food. I feel like that's right up my alley. And then we do have a Bonjour Paris mini planner kit. So that is these 2 sheets. And here we have some stickers for lists, stickers for labels, some deco stickers, and then some tracker stickers, more labels, more deco. So super cute kit put together to give all types of Paris vibes. So I love this, love this, love this, love this. And I'm going to have a lot of fun using these to set up my new language journal. So these are all the things I got from Hubman and Chubgirl. They're super cute and I'm really excited to get started using all of these. And again, if you're interested in anything that they have or anything I've shown, there is a discount code down below for you, which will give you, I believe, 15% off. If I'm wrong, I'll put that on the screen, but there's a discount code for you below as well as on the screen if you want to check them out. That would be greatly appreciated. I also wanted to mention that these boxes are reusable, which I love. I love when companies give you like nice quality boxes. I told you, I'm all into packaging. I really am. I'm a sucker for packaging. And I appreciate when they give you things that not only are pretty, but things that I can also reuse again. So I'm going to stick all of this stuff in here. It's all going to fit along with all my washi. And I can box it all up in this smaller box that they sent. So I love that.